Hello dosto, welcome back to SKP Gardening. Today I am going to show you one of the most beautiful plants in my terrace garden, the Adenium, also known as the desert rose. This plant is very unique and attractive because of its thick stem, called the caudex, and its colorful flowers. You can also grow it in a bonsai style, which makes it perfect for terrace and balcony gardening. Now let's talk about some interesting facts. Adenium is a desert plant, so it does not need a lot of water. The more sunlight it gets, the more flowers it will produce. Its caudex stores water, which helps the plant survive in dry conditions. With proper care, this plant can bloom multiple times in a year. Let's move on to some important care tips. Adenium needs at least 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Water the plant only when the soil is completely dry, as overwatering can damage it. Always use well-draining soil, like a mix of sand, garden soil, and compost. You can also apply a balanced fertilizer once a month for better growth and flowering. Light pruning can help maintain a good shape and encourage more blooms. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SKP Gardening. Stay connected for more gardening tips and beautiful plants. Thank you for watching.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we